Hey friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new IP camera from SriCam. Here in this video we will be also talking about how you can do the initial setup of this camera so that you can use this camera with your home Wi-Fi. So first talk about the box. Like on the box you can see that they have mentioned about how you can connect this camera, like you can connect multiple SriCam camera with your Wi-Fi router, and then you can view the video on your mobile, laptop or desktop. So these things they have mentioned on the box. So let me turn the camera box on the left hand side and show you like what all things are there. And here you can see that we have the same information which was there in the front of the box. So other side of the box, here you can see that they have mentioned about the pricing, which is 4,999, but we have got this camera in 2,700 Indian rupees on Amazon. So if you want to buy this camera, use my link in the description below and then you can go to the Amazon site and you can buy it. Alright, now enough of talking, let's quickly unbox this device and show you what all things are there inside. Okay, so as soon as you open the box, you will see these documents. So these documents are basically manuals for this camera and the warranty card. So in this manual, you have all the information like how you can set the camera, how you can install the camera, and this is very easy, like they have explained it really good. Now the next one is the thank you note from the seller, and this is the instruction how you can install the app and then you can view the video. Also the link here where you have to register this camera to get 1 year warranty. And the next thing is the power adapter for this camera. This camera does not have any battery, so you have to use this power adapter all the time. Alright, the next thing is the RJ45 cable. So you will need this cable to set the camera for the first time. Then this is the mounting clip, like you can use this to put it on your wall and then you can set your camera. Alright, the last thing is the IP camera itself. So here you can see that this camera is actually built of a very good quality plastic, and when you hold this camera in your hand you will not feel that this is a cheap quality camera. It's like 2,700 rupees only, but the camera build quality is really good. Alright, to summarize now, you can see that these things will come with the camera box, like RJ45 cable, adapter, mounting clip, the SriCam itself, the manual. Please note that you will not get any memory card with this box. You have to buy it separately to operate with this camera. Alright, now let me quickly tell you the step-by-step process how you can install this camera from scratch. So first step, connect this camera with the power adapter and switch on the power adapter. So as soon as you switch on the power adapter, the camera will automatically rotate and it will get stuck at 360 degree, and then it will vibrate for some time and then it will again turn back to its original position. So here you can see that camera is again turning back and it's going back and it's rotating to the same position where we have seen this camera when we unbox the device. Okay, the next step is to reset the camera settings. So here you can see that at the bottom of this camera you have the reset button. So you have to use some pen or pen so that you can press this button. So as soon as you hold this button for 2 to 3 seconds, it will give a beep sound. So you can hear that beep sound. That beep sound means that reset is done. You have to keep the power on while resetting. Now the next step is to install the SriCam app on your mobile phone. You can install this SriCam app on your Android or your iPhone. Just type SriCam and then you will get this SriCam IP camera network phone camera. This is the application. Just click on install. When you click on install, you will ask for the permission. Just accept it and then proceed to the next step. Alright, so installation is completed. Open the app, and first thing is to register this application. How to register? Just put your email address, put any password. Password should be strong, ideally for your safety, and then you can click on register. Once it is registered, you have to put the username and password and click on login. Once it is logged in, it will give you this page which says add a new device. Now at this step, keep the mobile aside, and now you have to work with the camera. You have to connect this camera with your Wi-Fi router using the RJ45 cable. So here you can see that this is my Wi-Fi router. I have just connected using the RJ45 cable. So how do you connect it? Like put in any of the port in your Wi-Fi router, like port 1 to 4, any of the port will work. Just put that, and then at the back of the camera also you have to put it in the RJ45 port. Now here you can see that light will blink like green and orange light. So that means like yes, the ports are good, the connectivity is good. Alright, now you have to switch to your phone and then click on this add device. As soon as you click on the add device, it will ask for the input device ID. So you can either type in the device ID from your camera or you can scan the device ID. So let me show you how you can scan it. So just click on scan button and then flip the camera back. So here is the QR code. You have to keep the camera close to the QR code and it will automatically scan the ID of this device. So once the device is added, just click on next. So as soon as you click on next, it will ask for the camera name, like what camera name you want to give. So I've just given as a Hall Cam, and then I have entered the default password, that is 8888 6 times, which is mentioned on the back of your camera. So you can see the default password. Now you have to change the password. So put the default password, that is 888888, and then you have to put the new password, and make sure that the password what you're putting here, the admin password, is really strong so that nobody can hack your camera on internet. Alright, so I have put the password, and then it will ask for password modified successfully. The device is in wired network. Do you want to connect to Wi-Fi network? Then click on confirm. It will automatically detect your home Wi-Fi, that is TechVirus Airtel is my Wi-Fi name, and you have to put the password of your Wi-Fi, like how do you connect your phone, what password you use when you connect to your Wi-Fi. As soon as you put the password, you click on connect, it will connect the camera, and then when you go to device list, it will show the camera which is connected. So here you can see that camera is broadcasting the video, and I can see that on my mobile phone. So if I move the phone up and down, so you can see that the camera video is also moving. There is very little lag in the video. Now let me quickly remove the Ethernet cable from this camera, so that this is pure Wi-Fi camera. There will be no confusion that if it is transmitting the video over the wired network. Now let me remove this, and I'll go into another room, and then I will connect this camera using the SriCam app. So alright, so now I will click on Hall Camera. So this is the camera name what I have given for this particular camera. So I'll click on this, and now it will connect. It will take some time, and it will connect. In Wi-Fi, like local Wi-Fi, it will not take time to connect, but when you are connecting via your mobile data, it will take some time. And initially first day it will take some time, but from the second day the mobile data will be connecting very fastly. And here you can see that you can set the video quality to HD, SD and LD. So you have different options so that you can have the better quality of video. So here you can see that this video is in HD mode, and you can see that the navigation is really easy. You just have to use the touch screen and move it left or right, and the camera will automatically rotate at its position, and it will show the entire room. Now let me show you two options of recording. Like first option is like you can directly record from your mobile. Like there is a record button on the mobile, so you just have to press that and it will start blinking. That means it is recording the screen, and it will record the video which is being telecasted or transmitted by the camera. And the second option is like it will record in the SD card of the camera itself. So I have not installed any SD card, so you will not be able to see those kind of recording. So let me show you like how does this camera looks in the night time. So here you can see that there is no light, it's completely dark, and the camera is transmitting the infrared light. So you can see that with this infrared light, it's showing such a good quality of video. And if somebody is moving or some person is like sitting there, it will be very clear. I have tested it myself, and I was really impressed by night vision of this camera. The IR blaster or the IR transmitting light on this camera is really good, and it's very helpful in night time. Alright, now let me tell you how you can see the video recording of this IP camera. So you just have to click on the top right menu and click on multimedia. When you click on multimedia, it will ask for what you want to see. So if you click on video playback, it will show you the camera name. So just select the camera name, and you have two options here, SD card or the phone local video. So I have not installed any SD card, so I will not see any of the video from SD card. But on the phone local video, whatever I have recorded on the screen using my mobile, I can see those videos. So here you can see that the video which I just recorded, this is the quality of the video, and the video playback is also very smooth. And you can see on the top we have the date and time also playing along with the video. So that's really interesting feature of this camera. Now let me show you more features of this SriCam application. So whenever you want to change any settings of any of the camera, just click on that camera and click on the settings, and it will show these menus. So first one is time setting. So this will set the current date and time for your camera. Now the second option is media setting. Like you can set the recording quality, like at what recording quality you want the videos to be saved on the SD card. So this you can change it from here. The next one is the recording settings. So this is the important settings, like you want to do it manual recording, you want to do alarm recording, or you want to do timing recording. So basically in timing recording you need to set the time start and time end, like when you want to start the recording and when you want to finish the recording. And in alarm recording it will detect a motion, like if there is a motion, like if there is a movement in the camera, in front of camera, it will start recording at that point of time. Apart from this, we have other features as well in the SriCam application which you can explore it yourself. Alright, to summarize, like I have showed you like different features of this camera and the video quality. So now you can understand that at this price range, like 2700 Indian rupees, you are getting a wireless Wi-Fi camera which is really a steal. And yes, the quality is really good and there is no lag or there is no downtime I have seen from past 4 days at least on their server. So yes, SriCam, you can go ahead and buy it. And there are other camera as well in the market. I have not tested them. I have tested this camera itself and it is working flawlessly for me. So I hope you liked my review, and if you liked, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because if you're a subscriber you might win iPhone 7 when this channel reaches 50,000 subscribers. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.